Hello Earth, hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to May's Tarot Healing. And this is for my lovely Geminis. Geminis, this is your weekly reading. Okay, so this is about your energy, your challenge, and your blessing for this week. So what I can see here, no? So nakikita ko dito, so it's almost there. Your lucky break is almost there, my dear Geminis. And yes, you're going to be successful. So, nakikita ko dito, no, na yung energy nyo, ayan na, ine-embrace nyo na yung luck nyo, ine-embrace nyo na yung success nyo. It's just a little more time for you to receive this success. Okay? So, nakikita ko rin dito na don't be impatient. Okay? Don't be impatient and to reevaluate your feelings. Okay? So, bago mo ibaguhin yung plano mo, Geminis, i-reevaluate mo muna yung feelings mo. It's just, are you just being impatient or ito talaga yung gusto mo or napipilitan ka lang ba sa plano mo? Ganon. Okay? So, yung mga challenge na nakikita ko dito sa'yo this week, connections. Connections. Mga attachment mo and responsibility mo. Possible maging challenge siya for this week. Okay? Make sure na hindi ka hino-hold back ng mga tao sa paligid mo or hindi ka napipigilan or hindi mo pinipigilan yung self mo mag-grow. Okay? Dahil sa mga connections na to, dahil sa mga attachment na to. So, nakikita ko dito na yung growth mo, medyo matagal talaga siya. So, possible maging impatient ka. So, nakikita ko yung bunga na lang yung inaantay mo. Yung bunga na lang ng hard work mo, yung inaantay mo. And you could be impatient this week. Okay? So, wag kang magiging impatient, my dear Gemini. Okay. So, what is the blessings na nakikita ko dito? So, nakikita ko, you will cut people that doesn't resonate with you. Okay? So, sorry sa background. So, nakikita ko dito na ikakat mo or hindi mo na pagtutuunan ng pansin yung mga tao or bagay na hindi nagre-resonate sa goals mo. Okay? Hindi nakakatulong sa improvement or growth mo. Hindi nakakatulong or walang ambag sa growth mo or success mo. Ikakat mo na siya sa life mo. Okay? And also, one of the thing there is we have the 7 of Wands. So, nakikita ko magkakaroon ka ng self-defense, magkakaroon ka ng protection sa sarili mo. Magkakaroon ka din possible ng boundary sa life mo. Okay? If wala ka nun dati, nakikita ko dito na hindi mo na itataya yung sarili mo para sa ibang tao, not in a bad way, pero hindi ka na magiging martyr. Okay? So, yung focus mo right now is what you are focusing and hindi ka basta-basta madidistract out of these goals or plans. And there you go. If you want to follow me on my TikTok, IG, and page, that will be May's Tarot Healing. Don't forget to subscribe and like this. You can share this to your fellow Geminis or your friend that is has this zodiac sign. So guys, again, thank you so much, and just take whatever it is that resonates with you guys.